You say you really know me. You're not afraid to show me what is in your eyes. So tell me about the rumors. Are they only rumors?
Are the only lie.
Falling out on a perfect dream, coming out of the blue.
Is it true?
Is it over?
Did I throw it away? Was it you? Did you tell